Flea market. May nagbayad tayo noon ng tour, may. Nagbayad tayo ng tour noon. Kaya sumakay tayo.
Ito parang naalala ko ito.
Yeah. Nagbayad tayo ng tour noon, may. Oh, may. Puerto Vallarta. May magtingin tayo dito. Katabi ito yung pirate. Tingin tayo dito. Video yan, ha? No. Okay. Flea market. Hola, señor. Buenas tardes. Ahora, no, later on. Oh, later on. Still more. Yeah. Hola. How much is your sombrero? Sombrero. This one is
45.
35. Hola. Buenos días. Oh,
Días. Pásale, tenemos mochila.
mochila. Sombrero. I'm looking for sombrero.
Sombrero.
Yeah, this much, senor. How much this sombrero?
Like this one.
One sombrero inside, huh? May camero o sombrero?
Yes, pásale, mira.
Oh. Puerto Vallarta. Ito, Puerto Vallarta. How much this, señora?
Ese $15.
Oh,
Take it for 13.
oh. Oh, Puerto Vallarta.
Okay. Give me $12.
Oh. We should take $15.
$12.
yeah.
$10, okay.
Oh.
Take it for 10.
Later on, señora, we come back.
$10.
Yeah, no, señor.
I
Señora.
got it. How much?
This one here, $5 in Masalan. Yours is expensive, oh, yeah.
Ese muy
Yeah.
bueno, ¿no?
Oh, really?
No,
The same, loco. The same, loco. This one, Masalan,
Ajá.
$5.
Cinco.
Yours is 13, oh.
En Matsalya.
Matsalyan,
Okay,
yeah.
take it for
Thank
$10.
you. Señor, okay, smart, thank you. Hola, ay, temi, sorry. Mabanggo ka?
for amiga.
Ah. Yeah, looking around, señora. Uy, old rules. Dito pala. Yeah, oh, wow, señor. Puerto Vallarta. Uy. Oh, how much is that, señor?
This is for 50, for $12.
What size do you want? No, not yet. We come back.
Yeah?
Yeah. 8. Dito, straight lang tayo, may. Ganda, oh. Stamp. Oo, yeah. Grabing mahal na, yeah. Too much naman sila. Yeah. Okay, ano? Uy, dagat na pala yun, may, oh. May, there, oh. dagat na. Wow, marina.
Sinita sa Pilipino.
Senyor, yeah, Pilipino from Manila. Oh, yeah. Later on, you know. Senyor, gato na. May, oh. Marina, oh. Yeah. Oo. Sabi niya, Pilipino daw tayo.
No, pag makabenta sa ano?
May yung ganito, may, oh. Ganda, oh.
Ay, sa amiga. Amigo.
Amiga, amigo.
Amiga y amigo.
Oo.
Hi, my friend. Wait up. Yeah, sorry. That's $2.